Hello everyone, welcome to my class Statistics and Analytics Lab. So we are in unit number 2, Summarization of Data. In the previous video, we learnt how to draw a line chart from the data set. So today in this video, let us learn about frequency polygon and frequency curve. So frequency polygon and frequency curve both are constructed from the histogram. Means in order to draw a frequency polygon and frequency curve, first you need to draw a histogram. We know how to construct a histogram for the given data set. This we have seen in one of our previous videos. So here I am taking one sample of histogram in order to explain frequency polygon and frequency curve. You can see in the chart one histogram is taken, and from the histogram let us define frequency polygon and frequency curve. A frequency polygon is a graph constructed by using lines to join the midpoints of each interval. A frequency polygon is a graph constructed by using lines to join the midpoints of each interval. Means a frequency polygon is constructed by joining all the midpoints of each class interval, or by joining all the midpoints of each vertical bars. You can see in that figure there are different vertical bars. These vertical bars represent frequency. You can see on top of each vertical bars there are black dots. Those black dots represents midpoints. For example, see in the first bar from the class interval 10 to 20, on top of it there is one black dot. That black dot represents midpoint of class interval or midpoint of that vertical bar. See, in order to calculate a midpoint, you need to add lower class interval and upper class interval. Then divide the addition answer by 2. See, in the first bar, class interval is from 10 to 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 15 is the midpoint. So likewise, midpoint of each and every bar is calculated, and those points are marked on top of those vertical bars. Then if you join these midpoints using a line, then that becomes frequency polygon. Okay. Then a frequency curve is a smooth and freehand curve through the midpoints of upper sides of the rectangles forming the histogram. Meaning of this is, see, frequency curve is a smoother form of frequency polygon. See, while constructing frequency polygon, lines are used to join midpoints. Whereas to construct frequency curve, smooth line is used to join those midpoints. So it's a smoother curve. Usually a freehand curve it is. So it looks smoother. Okay. So this is about frequency polygon and frequency curve. Thank you.